Here's some news you can use. Because the government recently made changes to Medicare, your plan could be out of date. It's important to pay attention to the latest Medicare changes and how those could affect you. In fact, newer plans can save you money. Dr. Manoj Pawar, Chief Medical Officer of Mutual of Omaha Medicare Advantage, shares more about plans available right here in Denver. Welcome.
Thanks for having me.
Glad to have you here as well. All right, let's talk about this. So why is Mutual of Omaha actually getting into the Medicare Advantage space here in Denver?
Well, what's important to realize is a lot of people don't know that we've been in Medicare since it began in 1966.
Oh.
So we've been in Medicare for a long time and really understand our customers. One of the things about moving into Medicare Advantage that people don't understand, that not everybody understands, is that Medicare has three parts. There's Medicare Part A, which covers your hospital, Medicare Part B, which is your physician coverage, and Medicare Part D, which is your drug coverage. Medicare Advantage plans essentially combine all of those together into one circle of protection, is what we like to call it. And the reason we're bringing it to Denver is really because we want to provide that for our customers here in the Denver metro area.
So when you talk about the different plans, you kind of spelled it out for us, what they all sort of cover. What has changed recently, or has anything changed in Medicare recently?
A lot of things have actually changed, and this is one of the reasons why, even if you've got a plan, it's important to sort of check out and see, is your plan currently taking advantage of the recent changes? So one important area to look at is something called supplemental benefits. So these are things that are not traditionally covered by Medicare, and the government has recently opened things up, really listened to physicians and patients a lot in doing so, by providing some flexibility in terms of the types of benefits we can give to patients. So these could be things such as dental coverage, they could be transportation benefits, they could be eye benefits, things that we actually think could improve health in terms of outcomes.
No, absolutely, and those little things add up, and it can make a world of difference. Okay, well, first of all, if you want more details, this is really important. I want you to reserve your spot at a free community meeting. All you have to do is call a number. You're going to see it right here on your screen. I'm going to tell you about it, 855-940-0897. Or you can just actually go online too, which is really easy, and that's mutualplanbenefits2020.com. All right, now let's talk about these plans a little bit more, if you will. When you break them all down, what can you tell us about the Mutual of Omaha Medicare Advantage plans?
So some of the things that you can check out, and you should check out at this time of year, are the amount of money that you're paying out of pocket for your plan. So one of the things that really, as a physician I've been in practice for 26 years here in the Denver area, that's really been frustrating for me is that a lot of times patients have difficulty getting the medications that they need. And I think about some people specifically where it was difficult for them to bring that up in terms of a conversation, not being able to afford the medication. So we have plans that offer $0 deductibles and no copays for most medications. That's really beneficial for folks. Other things are low or no copays for physician visits, including your primary care physician and specialist, and things like transportation and dental, as I mentioned.
No, that's all important. I mean, when you start to think, like I said, the little things start to add up, and that is huge. So who can enroll?
So people that are age 65 or older, or Medicare age, you might already be on a plan, and if so, it's worth checking things out and making sure that your needs are being met adequately. If not, it's definitely important to take a look at enrolling this season.
Yeah, and so when is that time? Are we in it now?
We are currently in it. So it started October 15th and continues to December 7th. So it's really important to pay attention to the timelines, make sure that you're enrolled in the right time frame. Yeah,
that's kind of a tight window. If you're not really paying attention, that's important to know. Okay, so I'm going to reiterate what I was telling you guys before about reserving a spot at this free community meeting dinner, okay? Or excuse me, community meeting. You're not feeding anyone, are you? I just made the dinner part in there myself.
Some of them may have. Some of them are associated with dinner.
I just went ahead and made the meeting. But this is it, 855-940-0897. That's important. Or you can also just go online at mutualplanbenefits2020.com, and that is a free community meeting, which is you ask all the questions you want right there. All right, so in addition to what I just told them, are there other ways that maybe our viewers can learn a little bit more about all of this?
Yeah, so I always encourage viewers to talk to their physician offices. I think that's a great source of information. When you go to the community events, be prepared with questions. There are things that it's important to come and keep in mind. I think that one of those things that's really important is looking at the benefits in your current plan, the ones that really matter to you. Because there's a lot of stuff out there.
Oh, yeah.
Some things are more important to other people. So for some people, a dental benefit may be really, really important. Another person, it may be the transportation benefits, or it may be the out-of-pocket costs. So,
absolutely.
Yeah.
I love how you're pinpointing all those things and how sometimes the little ones do all add up. Doctor, thank you so very much.
Thanks for having me.
All right, Medicare enrollment period is now until December 7th. If you are 65 years of age or older, you can't be denied this coverage effective January 1st, 2020. The Mutual of Omaha Medicare Advantage plans can save you money with $0 monthly premiums and robust protection against out-of-pocket expenses. Here's the number to call, 855-940-0897, or visit mutualplanbenefits2020.com to request a free guide to learn more or to reserve a spot at a free, no-obligation community meeting. Mutual of Omaha Medicare Advantage paid for today's segment. Stay with us.